from Toit Fishing, and I'd love to show you some of our products. Our main thing is rigging and different rigging tools to help fishermen's lives much easier. We'll look at the split ring tools first. They come in a small, a medium and a large. Let's take a look, man. So these are our small split ring tools. These run from a size 3 to a size 6 split ring. This is about a 4 split ring over here now. And they work really, really easy. And the main thing with them is you get a 2-stage functionality. So firstly, you're actually holding the split ring. You can't actually move it. So when you're working with it and getting it on the lure, it's really easy. But not only that, if you need to open up that gape anymore, what you can do is, all you do is you spin that around. You see that? It's opened it right up. So you've got that 2-stage functionality. So when you've got thick gauge wire in that, you can get that on really easy. Let me just demonstrate on an actual jig. So for example, if that was too small, all you do now is spin that around and get that straight on there like that. And that's it. You're good to go. So we do that in a medium as well. That's the medium split ring tool. And I'll try that on the bigger one here. So again, medium, you can get that straight on, but again, same thing. Spin that around and you've got a really big gape. And it's as easy as that. But what's nice is you're actually holding the gauge of the wire. So there's full control. I can't actually move that. So when you're working with that in the jig or in the lure, you're actually holding the wire. And this is our large split ring tool, which is much bigger. So the cone detail on the front is very pronounced. And that's a double XL Nomad split ring. That's actually one of the biggest on the market. The braking on this is 370 pound. So again, when you're changing out your jigs, like on your Mad Max lures, and you're going from a single hook to a treble, look at the gauge wire on these. You know, you've got some serious opening to do. So on ours, on first stage opening, they just a little bit shy. You could probably squeeze that on there. But now watch this. That's where you're getting that massive opening, and it's still fully controlled.